I'm Derek Brown, Director of Project Management for Beaubreu Pipeline.
Hi, I'm Darwin Dizon with Contech. Hey Derek, tell me a little bit about Rialto.
Rialto was a great project. Very difficult. We were presented with a plan that the engineer drew up after our success on building one. The developer came to us and said, "What do you think?" Challenge was, how do you take an existing large dirt basin, fill it up to maintain an existing cubic foot volume of water to create parking? That was the problem. That was a huge problem. And then from our end, it was, how do we get 200,000 tons of rock to the site? How do we get 11,000 plus feet of pipe to the site on an active construction site where there's no room to move and make this job, the timeline work? How do we do that? That was the problem.
Well, there's a lot of pieces. How did you get your head wrapped around controlling cost?
That's where the telebelt came in with its 130-foot reach and allowing us to move that machine less to achieve more cost savings. Because the less you move equipment around the site, the more cost savings you have. And that telebelt took the place of several men manually moving this rock. So that was key for us.
So your production efficiency provided cost savings.
Cost savings to us obviously translates to cost savings for the owner. And that was important to us because of our long-standing relationship with the owner and the developer. We went and presented them with the most affordable package possible. That's important to us at Beaubreu, to make it a win for us, but also make it a win for them.
How would you summarize this project in a few words?
To summarize this project, we make difficult easy, and that's because of Beaubreu's 20 plus years of experience and our years of putting these basins in that has allowed us to have those successes.
Contech was invited to the table by our partners because we provide the following. We have the technical expertise in civil design and construction. We have the production capacity overall, our ability to scale to the project size like this one, handle both tough and demanding schedule, in the end deliver while minimizing risk to our clients from start to finish. Finding a cost-effective site solution to build a large parking lot above a functioning basin that holds 1.5 million cubic feet of storage while utilizing 11,000 linear feet of 162-inch diameter corrugated steel pipe coupled with 200,000 tons of crushed rock is no small feat. The success of this project overall will be rooted on three things: great partnership, complete transparency, and collaborative energy. What an awesome display of teamwork. What a great project.
Let's partner up for our next project.
We are the experts. We make difficult easy.